So Arkansas is one of 9 states where the Biden administration's vaccine mandate on healthcare workers is now at a standstill.
Yeah, a federal judge issued that injunction today, and it's the first legal challenge against that requirement. 5 News reporter Catherine Gilker tells us more now about what this means in Arkansas. Catherine?
The judge says Congress has no authority to make healthcare providers require their employees to be vaccinated under the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services rule. This mandate would have meant more than 17 million healthcare workers would have been required to get their first dose of the vaccine by December 6th. The ruling blocking the mandate came today from a federal judge in Missouri. The ruling was issued for 10 states whose attorney generals and governors got together to fight the mandate. Employment attorney Nate Reed says employers can still require employees to get vaccinated, just not under the CMS rule. He says there will likely be an appeal by higher courts.
Both employees and employers need to think about and need to consider what next steps they are going to take should this either be invalidated completely or upheld, and sort of what the next steps they need to take in order to prepare for that.
Arkansas Attorney General Leslie Rutledge was one of the state leaders who helped block the mandate. She released the following statement about the ruling that said, in part, President Biden's illegal CMS vaccine mandate has no place in Arkansas. I will continue to protect Arkansans from having to decide between getting the shot or losing their job. And Governor Asa Hutchinson also said the following in part, vaccine mandates are not the appropriate method to increase our vaccination rates. And the decision today shows that Arkansas is not alone in this position. The Arkansas Healthcare Association says the vast majority of healthcare facilities in our state had not yet put vaccine mandates in place for employees. They say they were waiting on the CMS rule to take effect. They say today's ruling gives them a bit of relief and time to work with employees. Covering news where you live, Catherine Gilker, 5 News.
All right.